we look at an application of Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. We want to prove this inequality for positive real number a sub i's, okay, in this fraction form. All right. So let's review the Cauchy-Schwarz inequality says for real number a sub I, b sub I sequences, right? So this is the result. And the inequality holds when ai, bi are improportional. That is, the ratio is constant k. Or, of course, if one of the sequence is just all zeros, right? So it sometimes comes in the vector form. For the inner product space, for the vector u and v, you have the magnitude of the inner product is going to be low greater than, that is, less or equal to the product of individual vector lengths. Okay, so that's intuitive. You have geometric interpretation of this inequality. Sometimes we have a simpler case for a sub n, b sub n being length 2. That is, we have 4 real number a, b, and c, d. This is just a special case. And of course, equality holds when they are proportional. That is, AD equal BC. Right? Now, our problem today is this fraction form. Okay? Sometimes it's also very useful. This is actually a direct result of Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. Let's look at that for the positive numbers, of course. Now, here, in order to prove this, since this is positive, you can multiply this fraction here, right? On both sides, you want to prove this one, right? Now, what the trick here is, since this is a positive real, we're going to treat this as square root and then square it. Because in the Cauchy-Schwarz inequality, we do have some squares, right? So this actually rewrite it like that. And what is n? N is the inner product. That is, this fraction here times this quantity here is exactly 1, and you have n terms. That is, n is the summation of 1 plus 1, and there's n terms. So each one is, this is exactly the form of Cauchy-Schwarz. In other words, we have the proof if you consider n as this particular expression here, right? So this inequality is just a direct result of the Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. Hope you enjoyed the video. In the meantime, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.